It's dark in here, but look. Schumacher. I don't know why the lights are off. Yeah, could do, is this the light switch? I guess it's just dark in here. I said, I guess it's just dark in here.
Yeah.
What the heck? There's a rag. Three's locked. 2 is where we were. I guess we'll go to main. Traction. Whoa. What the hell? Why is this place so dark? Oh, there we go. Now, hey now. That looks like a much older elevator. There might be a manual. I'll have to inspect that. This is definitely like an older controller. This is a very odd elevator. I can't see into the hoist, so I'm gonna have to use my flashlight after I film. Interesting elevator for sure. Holy crap. Anyway, we'll end it at the lobby. This is a very odd little building. I really don't know what this thing is. Well, I know it's a Schumacher, but it's a funky little elevator. Whew. It's fun to ride though. Rough start. It stops. I don't know why there's just a random rag in there. Anyway, I guess it'll just sit open or not. There it goes. That's it.